So this is literally the app that we are going to use for making $600 doing nothing. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you 3 legit apps that you can use for making $600 or more without doing anything. So without wasting any time, let us dive into my computer right now. The first app that we have in our list is called current.us. Here you can see this app is giving us around $600 for doing nothing. So first of all, the first question that I'm going to ask you is, do you love listening music? If the answer is yes, and I hope the answer is yes, cause for me, I usually listen music whenever I am at any work or doing anything. I'm eating my food or I'm going to sleep. I just keep on listening music while I'm doing video editing or something. I keep on listening music and I love to listen music. So I was searching for some app that may give us money for this listening music. So finally, this app I have found out for you guys, and I have researched everything. First, the interesting thing of this app is this available for Android as well as iOS store. So it's available worldwide first, and it is available for Apple and as well as Android phone for all of you guys. It's very exciting thing. So how this app is basically works is, we get tokens or some reward points that you can use for getting some money that you can transfer for getting some money in personal brands. How this app works around, you get paid for listening some music. Whenever you get time, you can start listening music, and whenever you are listening music or using that app for listening this music, you get some points that you can withdraw or redeem for getting your money out as money or cash or as for your favorite brands. Here you can see they have around, they are saying that you can earn more while you play. While you listen more music, you can earn more. When you scroll down, we can see they have around, let's search and play, around 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 radio stations that you can, they have list of songs that you can start listening from this app. Next, you can see you can earn money, earn points by playing your favorite music. Yeah, as I have already told you guys, you can get points for listening the music, and this point you can redeem as a money as a reward for you, rewards points that you can utilize. And what you can do with those reward point is, when you scroll down, you can spend those points on your favorite brands. They have tie up with different sort of brands that you can use that you love, and you can use those points, can shop with those brands. It's usually a great thing for you guys, because listening music is a most interesting thing that we people do usually do every time whenever you're in the work, when you're going out or in the office, whatever you are, that you can start making money with listening music. So here you can see how do I earn. In this section they have the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who sign up and can curate the registrations in current and earning points called an app points called points during this media playback. You will encounter several opportunities to generate points. So you can understand this app is giving money for listening music as a points, and this points you can redeem for any kind, for getting some money to your bank account. Again, the most interesting part of this is this app is available for Google Play as well as Android store. So next you can see, I'll be showing you the community they have. Here you can see this app is very much legit. You can see this is like they are getting tokens for every points, and you can transfer this into getting some rewards. They have usually 2 million people users. They have installed this and they are using this one for getting these things. And next you can see the next generation of meanings. Okay, this thing is that whenever you're listening some music, you're getting cryptocurrency, you get some tokens and get some points for making some money. This is the most very interesting thing that I found for this. There are some investors, they are investing for this. They have started investors and called Mark Cuban. They have invested in this for getting this to us, for getting us the people for earning money. And I hope this is a great way for earning money by listening some music and doing nothing, because you actually are doing nothing because you usually do these things per day. So next you can see where there are various type of big name the presses that have included, and they have shown their interest in this app is called CNBC Inc. Business Insider Entrepreneur Fast Company. So it's a legit app, guys, that you can literally use to get money. So, next app that we have in our list is called Cash Magnet. Cash Magnet is one more app that I have in our list. I have for you is the second app that we have in our list for getting money for doing nothing. Actually, this is more of the thing that is getting how this app works is around. First is you need to download this app and just register this app, and whenever you have time or we have got time, some off time, you can just keep the app on, and what they will do is they will send some points. That points they'll keep on sending some points. Whenever the points has been up to some certain thresholds, is reached some certain thresholds, then you can transfer those points as money directly to your PayPal account. Here you can see they have this app is this app is available on Google Pay only for Android users. I'm sorry, for Apple users this app is not useful for Apple users till now. Here you can see you don't need to perform any task, you don't need to watch any ads or play any games. Your earning will become to absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Whenever you're sleeping, you just need to keep this app on, and I have researched this app is legit, guys. This to keep on turn this app on whenever you're working out, you are doing something else. You just need to keep this app on your phone, and they will keep on sending some points. The points you will get money for this. And here you can see prepared. So okay, this is very safe and absolute, guys, and this is very safe. And the thing that we can use is you can earn money by transfer those points and get money in your PayPal, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, or iMusic, or anything else, or Xbox, whatever you want. So this is the thing. Next, you can scroll down. Are there any additional requirements not required? How does the accumulation of points happen? Accumulation of the points happen every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, whenever you'll keep this app on, they will send some points that you will receive and can transfer this money. So how we can the most important things here is that you can see the payment code. Payment goes from 1 USD. This is the most important thing. The threshold for this app is around 1 USD, US dollars. After you get usually 1 USD dollars, you can get actually more of that if you keep on using this app. And the minimum redemption point for this app is approximately around 1 USD. This is literally the threshold for 1 USD you can get very easily, guys. So this is the next step that we have in our list that you can get. What you need to do is just need to download this app right now, and after you download this app, you need to register for this app here and give your email ID and password, or give them a sign up button. Whenever sign up, you just need to keep this app on, and they will send some points and you get money for this. The next and the third app that we have in our list is called moneysmsapp.com. What you need to do is, this is one more interesting thing, guys. You need to do is you just install this app again and sign up for this again. But the interesting thing for this is this is a little bit different, not like all other apps. In this app, the people from this company will keep on sending some text message, and for that message you'll get money. It is working on Android, and it's money online. You just need to install our app and get paid by our Making Money app for receive SMS as text messages. You can see they will keep on sending some text messages in your phone, and for every text message you'll get some point. What an interesting thing, guys. What is saying that you can keep on getting some messages, and you need to just keep on your app on in this phone, and when your app is on, they will keep on sending some text messages. When they are sending some text messages, you get money for this. This is very secure, guys, and it is very automatic. They have some referral fee, and most interesting, it's available worldwide, and it's free of cost. So what's there if you get a try for this? You can give a try, right? you need to download. Go to this website called moneysmsapp.com and to download this APK. It will be coming. It's not available. It's available in Android right now. You can download this APK from here also and can install and register, and every SMS that you get, that you will get money for this. Here you can see around 163,981 users have registered, and they have paid around approximately 71,425 euros that, and they have sent around 3 million test messages. So how this actually works is, people are not, the big companies out there are just giving money for seeing this, that the app are, that messages are going through or not. For that, they are this app has been built. They can see they send some test messages to the users, and user will say it's working or not. This message is going out through or not. They are actually legit, guys, because they will comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. So you can see this app is absolutely legit, and you can start earning money from this. So they have some help center also. If you have some questions, that you can start asking to this app.